The president acknowledged a local hero in his speech last night as well. Scott Ruskan is the Coast Guard rescue swimmer credited with saving 165 people during the July 4th flooding here in Texas. Last night, Ruskan was reunited for the first time with an 11-year-old girl he saved.
As the waters threatened to sweep her away, 11-year-old Millie Kate McClament closed her eyes and prayed to God. She thought she was going to die. Those prayers were answered when Coast Guard rescue swimmer Scott Ruskan descended from a helicopter above. Nobody knew where he came from. It was Scott's first ever rescue mission, a young guy, but very brave.
Ruskan was awarded the Legion of Merit Medal for his heroism.